Right people, welcome to part 2. If you missed part 1, there were some interesting vices being delivered and unwrapped. This part mainly is about this Ministry of Defence Tornado Toolkit case. Box. I found this on eBay. You wait to see the price. Let's get that up on the screen. Bear in mind, my big one cost £35, $40. This was on eBay for $75 plus $12.95, I think, postage. So I done the sensible thing. I offered the bloke 25 quid. And he come back a little bit higher, I think 28. So I thought, well, 28, I'll have that. Right. So this is the smaller version. Can I pick the bigger version up? Should I pick the bigger version up? Now this isn't a Harrier jump jet case. This is for a tornado. Right? So a lot of money he wanted for that, really, didn't he? £75. I mean, I'm going to have to use all sorts of stuff to get this off, aren't I? John told us once, didn't he, what we've got to use to get off of this. So this side, so let's have a look inside first. This is older, looking at it. Oh look, it's got all the... It's a bit like SHADOWFOAM, isn't it? Someone's even done a Union Jack there, can we see that? You know what I mean? Oh dear, that's original and a half, I can tell you. But, as we know, that'll be fucking coming out, won't it? That'll be out, that's padded as well. So that's quite... That's all dented, fucking hell. It's got a hole, it's got a bit in the bottom there. Oh man. Right. Yeah, that's not like my other one, is it? Anyway. Right. Okay. And then on this side, so I think this was decommissioned in 2000 due to a deficiency of the foam liner. So there we are. NATO stock. Well, that's quite a nice thing to keep as well, isn't it? So I'll keep that. I'll put that over. I'll file this. Right, that's that filed. But yeah, I thought, fuck it matches. I've got to have it. So got that. Let's hope nothing else matches, eh? Otherwise I'll be buying that too. And for the last big delivery of this week, don't know what's happened this week. I just haven't. Well, I've been busy, haven't I? Yeah, I've had work. And I've been busy. And I've been a bit anti. Right, if I bend that over like that, that's alright, and I can do that. Aha! Didn't even remember winning this. Now, no, I do remember winning this. It's a different one. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Right. Now this is what happens when you don't look. You don't look at the pictures properly and you think that's a bargain. So I think these were... maybe they were £26, right? And I thought, well, they're quite nice. They're not. Alright, they're not that nice. Maybe I can take the paint off and oil them and make them look nice, but to be honest, they're not what I thought. The camera angle made them look a lot bigger. I'll show you the photos, and you can see if you agree with me or not. I don't like that at all. And then, this ain't good. I mean, that's broken. Now, broken both sides. How did I not see that in the fucking picture? That's a shame, isn't it? Bollock waps. Oh dear. Well, I'm happy. I look at this one. That one makes me happy. Yay! That one makes me very happy. Because I know what I'm going to do with it, people. I can't tell you though, because if I tell you, you won't watch the video when I do it, will you? Will you? You will, wouldn't you? You will. Don't know about the others though. Oh, I tell you what, this was sold as seized. Yeah. That don't look very seized to me. Yes, it was sold as spares or repair. Nothing on there. But I want that champion to jump out. Or should I do it all in red and do just champion in gold? Don't give me fucking aquamarine as a suggestion. Is it going to be red or bare metal? Obviously, if you do vices, you know. You can't tell if it's going to be bare metal until you strip it down to bare metal and see how good it is. If it is bare metal, what colour should I do the writing words? Writing words. What colour should I do that? That would bare metal nicely actually, because there's a lot of bobbling on the... Ooh, there's a lot of pitting on that. That's nice sand on that. Oh, might have changed my mind again already. Now, do you see a lot of these in America? No idea. When I done a search, couldn't find anything with champion in this shape. Oh, it sounds solid. That's this, isn't it? Learned nothing from that, learned nothing from that. So, vice, shitty vice, tornado case. Honestly, I thought it was going to be bigger. It's quite small. But interesting nonetheless, yeah, interesting. So, I've got some foam that will go in there. So I've got, let's have a little talk. Should we do a little talk? I've got 9 days off work now. My first holiday in 8 months. I've been at work every week. Not had I think the longest period I had off was 4 days. And they had me in, day off, in, day off, in, day off, day off, in. It's drove me mental. It really has. And I've had to work at getting a holiday. I had to see a good manager to get a holiday. So, and hopefully I'm just going down to 2 long days a week now, not 3 or 4 days in. It's mental. The fuel's driving me crazy, the cost. But there we are. So over the next 9 days, if I tell you now, I've got to do it tonight. I am going to clear this shithole up. I've moved the Taskmaster, the red cupboard, from there to there. I've shunted the filing cabinet down that has my spanners and my odd bits in. I've moved the record 23 from there and put it over there. So, and I've got 2 boxes of skinny 30mm shadow foam over there that I'm going to do something with the tool wall with, and line the Taskmaster and use for that tool case. I know. Shadow foam, if anyone don't know, down below. Bloody good stuff. And I'm not saying that just because I get 10% of every sale that's through me. It's bloody good stuff. I bought 3 lots now because it's now 20 past fucking 2 in the morning. I only come out here to see what if this was this voice arrived or not. So well happy with that. If I'm lucky, I can strip that one down to bare metal and maybe get my money back. Gotta go. Need the toilet. Okay, so that was a nice quick part 2. That's over and done with. Part 3 will be coming up again today. It's more of a babble, a whinge, a moan, a rant, and just, you know, a few things I've noticed. Right, I'm going to say like, subscribe and share, but only to people that you value. Don't do it to anyone else, just do it to nice people. Bye for now.